How can I approach my parents to accept and practice Dharma?
By you being the best, wonderful daughter in the world. Your lovely parents don't have to accept Dharma. They don't have to be Buddhist. Let them be whatever they want to be. And just let them relax. Every time you go home, you smile. You be patient. If they scold you, just quiet. Bring them flowers. Bring them gifts. Be very kind to them. Then they'll say, our beautiful, wonderful daughter has become even sweeter and nicer. What happened? Oh, she's praying to a Buddha. Wow, this Buddha like that is so powerful. My tough daughter become like that. Let me check out more. So if you want your parents to do Dharma, they don't have to do Dharma. If you want them to do Dharma, even they don't do Dharma, never mind. Don't pin your hopes for your parents to do Dharma. Transform yourself to be even better. This man loves you so much. Your parents love you so much. So you must have something inside of you working, isn't it? You can't just be eyebrows and hair. Right? So what you need to do is this. Don't go back thinking, how can I make them Dharma, 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 Dharma? You yourself don't know Dharma. Maybe Dharma not good for you. You don't know. You check it out first. Maybe this is a big cloud. Maybe this is not. Dharma is good, but don't know if it's good for you. So you first check out if it's good for you or not. If it's good for you, you practice. If you practice, you become better and happier. Your parents say, oh, you're so nice girl. Now you're even more nicer. What happened now? Oh, I've been praying and chanting. And that's all. Don't try to convert anyone. Just be kind and nice. If you're kind and nice, you know what happens? People want to know where. I'll give you an example. If you got nice hair, people ask you, where you go at? Grace Salon. Huh? If you wear a nice jacket, say, where you get your jacket? Oh, next to Grace Salon. They say, where you get your bag? That one nice. Say, the store opposite Grace Salon. You get what I'm saying? The point is this. You have to advertise what you're advocating. I repeat, you have to be a good example of what you're advocating. You understand that? And I say that to you with respect. I didn't mean you're a bad person. So you yourself know Dharma, know how to answer questions. You yourself has transformed. Very easy to bring people to learn. Does that make sense? So what's your first job? Your first job, learn Dharma. Then, is this your boyfriend? Okay. I want you two to get along very well, to not have arguments, to forgive each other, and to be very concerned about each other's welfare, and to always look at the other person first. I want you to do that first. I don't care how the monster treat you, and I don't care how the monster treat you. The two monsters, Godzilla, King Kong, calm down. Yes, Godzilla and King Kong. Because whatever your boyfriend wants, that's good, you do it. You let him win. And you be gentle and kind and don't argue. And whatever your girlfriend wants, you do the same thing for her. And you do that over and over, then you prove to yourself that that works. Buddhism works. If you can't even get along, you get along, but sometimes. Then what do you want to tell your parents? You start there. You understand? This is very practical. Because you're with each other most of the time, so you irritate each other, you make each other happy. Understand that? Good.